Don't toss out overripe bananas. They're more valuable than you think. Bananas are a favorite, affordable treat for many, but if you're not careful, they spoil quickly. When bananas become too ripe, their pulp can develop harmful substances and isn't safe to eat. Instead of discarding them, consider these creative, practical ideas. Fermenting bananas into natural fertilizer. Even when too ripe to enjoy as a snack, bananas are loaded with nutrients. You can transform their mushy pulp into a powerful organic fertilizer for your plants. Preparation. Peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces. The softer they are, the easier they will mash. Mashing in container. Setup. Place the pieces in a sturdy plastic container or bottle. Avoid fragile glass. If using a bottle, carefully cut an opening and smooth any sharp edges for safety. Use a rolling pin or any available tool to mash the bananas until they form a consistent puree. Mixing. Add water to the container. Don't fill it to the brim, and stir well to combine the banana mash with the water. Fermentation process. Cover the container with plastic wrap and let it sit in a dry place for about 1 week. Every 3 days, lift the cover slightly to allow built-up gases to escape, preventing pressure from accumulating. Final steps. After a week, you'll notice the mixture has separated into 2 layers, a milky white liquid at the bottom and a lighter, frothy layer on top. Discard the foam, then strain the liquid through a coarse sieve to remove any remaining pulp. The fermented solution is a nutrient-rich fertilizer, but it's very concentrated. Dilution. Mix the solution with clean water in a 1-to-1 ratio to ensure it isn't too strong for your plants. Application. Transfer the diluted solution into a spray bottle, shake it well, and apply it to your plants. This fertilizer is packed with calcium, proteins, vitamins, and minerals that can help your plants grow greener and stronger. Use it sparingly, once or twice a week, to avoid over-fertilization. Banana peels also offer several surprising benefits. Leather care. Rub the inner side of a banana peel on your leather shoes. The natural oils and pectin help clean and moisturize the leather, restoring its shine without the need for commercial polishes. Kitchen grease removal. If your stove or countertops are covered in grease, simply use a banana peel to wipe them down. The natural oils in the peel can break down grease, making cleanup easier. Homemade cockroach trap. Cut a banana peel into thin strips and place them in a small container. Add a little concentrated detergent or powder and mix well. Then set this trap in areas where cockroaches are likely to gather, like near the sink, under appliances, or in dark corners. The sweet scent attracts the pests, and when they ingest the mixture, the detergent helps eliminate them without toxic chemicals. By repurposing overripe bananas in these ways, you transform what seems like waste into valuable resources for your home and garden. If you've tried similar methods or have other creative ideas, feel free to share them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical life hacks and tips.